Come get ready with me as I prepare this overall protective suit for our client this upcoming Wednesday. Yung package po na napili ni client ay yung Rec from Home since meron daw silang bakanteng lote and then dati nilang bahay na nasira nung Yolanda, kaya doon na lang daw sila magre-rage at hindi na lang daw sila magre-rent ng tent, and then mas gusto daw nila yung appliances kaysa sa bottles. So, mas prefer nila yung package na to, and ito po yung pinaka-affordable na package namin. Kasama na po dyan yung baseball bat, meron na din po yung ipapahiram sa inyo na gloves. May ipapahiram sa inyo na overall, which is ito na po na protective gear. May face shield, and then may industrial helmet din pong kasama. And dalawang appliances na kasama. So, pipili sila kung TV or washing machine. Pero sabi nila, gusto nila ng isang TV and isang washing machine. So, dadalhin po namin yun doon. And of course, pwede rin po sila magdala ng sarili nilang breakable. So, yung equipments and everything, and of course, yung permit, kami na po yung bahala dyan. They will send me pictures na lang daw, para daw hindi ako mag-antay na lang doon. Kasi they're gonna drink daw. So, I told them na bawal po kayo mag-rage na nalasing. So, para lang po sa sarili nilang protection. So, yun. Medyo sober okay, pero yung lasing hindi po pwede. Ayan, so prepare ko na, balik tayo dito sa ginagawa ko. Ayan, so lahat po ito naka-laundry. Ayan, fresh po yan na susuotin. Mabango po yan lahat, amoy downy. Ayan. And then may halo-halo po ditong sizes. May XL, may medium, may large. Yung small nga lang po is wala pong available. So, yung dati ko pa po ito na ginagamit nung meron pa po kaming pwesto. So, may mga nagtatanong kung bakit uy, may sumingit. May mga nagtatanong kung bakit daw wala na kaming pwesto. So, it's very complicated here around in Tacloban. Lagi kaming narereklamo, lagi kaming nakikick out, even though meron na kaming mga soundproofing, kahit na nag-fix na kami ng oras na kung kailan walang tao. Minsan, nagmi-midnight na kami, pero marami pa rin reklamo. So, kahit hindi residential area. So, naisip na lang namin na ito na lang yung gawin namin since marami namang complications kasi hindi pa masyado open ng mga tao. Dito sa Rage Room na business idea, medyo tabu daw siya. May mga nagtatanong din sa akin, bakit Rage Room? Ang naisip ko at hindi cafe, hindi bar, hindi ano. Sige, so sabihin ko sa inyo, kung nag-visit kayo sa page namin, dati pa tong unmute na to na establish way 2016. Or, if I'm not mistaken, 2015. Basta, more on rants pa lang siya sa website or sa radio station na tinatrabuhan ko. More on doon nagsisigawan, doon nagmumura, doon, and everything. And then, I was inspired by PewDiePie. So, si PewDiePie is a YouTuber and the previous king of YouTube, if kilala niyo siya. And he had been playing these rage games and then nagustuhan ko siya. And growing up on a raging family. Anyway, ayoko na ikwento ko ano yung nangyari doon sa background ko as sa family. Yung imbes na mag-rage ka to your loved ones, why not pour it all out in a room kung saan wala kang may masasaktan. So, ganun yung ano ko. Pero hindi pa ako masyado maalam nun sa business, kaya marami ang nauna na kesa sa akin. But the idea has been existing way before. And then, stuff happened. I got scammed when I started this. This is my baby. So, mga humigit kumulang mga 200,000 pesos. Sobra pa yung nawala sa amin. Ipon ko po yon as a virtual assistant. And then, naubos po yung pera ko sa bangko. Nanakaw lahat. Na-scam ako. And then, yung kwento po ay sa susunod na lang, or if you want to visit our Facebook page, ayan, nandun lahat ng unmute stories ko. Charot. Marami din nagsasabi na they appreciate the business because I was the first here in Tacloban. In Leyte, in Eastern Visayas to be exact. Actually, we are the first in the whole Philippines bilang mobile rage room. And we're planning to have a cart, and then meron din po tayong truck. So meron na tayong truck. Although mas gusto ko po yung yung covered kasi hindi siya covered na truck. Truck yun ni Papa actually. So anyway, mas malaking package siya, mas marami kasing pwedeng i-arrange doon, and then mas pang events talaga siya. Pero if you want to have a rage room booth, ayan, meron din mo tayong mga cosplay stuff. Nakikita nyo naman, may wig ako dyan, nakikita sa screen. Meron din po tayong mga add-ons. So, you can check it all out on our website. Or, you can check everything out. All the information is available po sa aming Facebook page, which is unmute.rageroom. And, what else? About sa cafe business, ayan, mahilig ako sa kape, pero ang kape po ang hindi mahilig sa akin. So, I am in partnership with known better baristas and bartenders, lalo na sa bar pop-up mobile na bar. So, I am in partnership with them kasi ayoko rin na ma-disappoint yung clients. So, meron tayong mga add-ons. We have gaming booth. I also have a partner with that. And if ibabalik yung time, yung lahat na pera na nawala sa akin, I would still choose this business. Kasi this is my niche, to be honest. Aside from graphics, this is my niche. Aside from social media marketing and entertainment, this is actually what I want, what I need, and what everyone actually needs. So, yun lang. So, daming gastos dito. Sobra. We actually buy the junks. And of course, ito palang bag na to, isang bag na to ng clothes worth 20k. Actually, hindi lang 200,000 yung nagastos dito. Maliban lang sa mga inutang pa namin. So, nangutang pa kami. Ang daming loan. Hanggang ngayon, pinabayaran pa rin namin. Pero sa awa ng Diyos, I was given a good partner. I was given kids who are contented. And I am really, actually blessed. So, I'm really thankful. So, now we're done. And if gusto nyo mag-book, DM me on my Facebook, Kuizamina.